Let's see how to get iPad view in Pubg Mobile on iPhone. In the first step, open Settings, then select Accessibility. Later tap on Display and Text Size. In the next step, open Settings. After that, select Display and Brightness. Later, tap on View and set it to Zoomed. In the next step, launch Pubg Mobile, then enter settings inside the game, then select graphics and change it to smooth. In the next step, launch Pubg Mobile. After that, open controls. Next, modify layout by making buttons larger. In the next step, launch Pubg Mobile. Next, select graphics, then change frame rate to extreme. You are good to go.